Most supplement brands show you what's inside. Very few show you how the formula was built. Primacy was designed as a connected system. Apex for daytime cognitive performance, Reset for overnight recovery and repair. Not a collection of disconnected ingredients, a coordinated architecture built for how the brain and body actually perform. The Primacy Research Library makes that reasoning visible. Every ingredient classified by function, form, and dose. You can see why each one was chosen and how it fits the broader system. Each ingredient has a short video overview and a detailed written deep dive, covering the evidence, form selection, dose logic, and system synergies. Explore by ingredient, by biological system, or by the question you care about most. The same formulation logic used to build Apex and Reset, made transparent. 52 ingredients, 15 domains, every choice traceable, every dose grounded, every mechanism inspectable. Explore the research, follow the logic, go deeper. Link to the research library is in the description.